Hello everyone, Steve here with Rumble Auto. We have the 1993 Porsche 911 RS America. This is going to be an HVAC test of the car. I just had the AC system serviced with a new pulley installed, and so what we're going to show you is that the HVAC system works as Porsche expects. So this is a real service gauge for air conditioning, and I'm going to show you both AC and also then heat. So bear with me here. I'm going to enable the system. I'm going to turn the fan speed up high so we don't have to wait forever, and you can see the temperature setting is at its lowest. And now what we're going to do is we're going to watch this gauge. So effective air conditioning is going on when that needle hits the green zone. So the green zone indicates a healthy air conditioning system. We will have to give it a little bit of time. The car is not moving. As you can tell, I do have airflow available for the front of the car, but we're not moving. So the system won't work quite as well as if you're moving down the road. That's just the nature of how air conditioning works. But it will blow cold. I can already tell you it is blowing cold. So let's give it a few minutes and I will show you the system is working properly. I apologize for the long duration of these videos, but I really do want everyone to understand we want you to see the health of this car, the quality of this car, and that the systems work as you would expect for a 40,000 mile example. Feel free to fast forward the video. I would do the same if I were watching it. I should mention ambient was roughly 58 degrees before the video started within my dealership, as evidenced by this very gauge before I inserted it into the Porsche's vents. Alright, you can see we're getting into the green. This is what you want to see, of course, to show you that a system is blowing cold. I'm not going to go on and on. I know this video could last forever, so what I'm going to do next, I'm going to switch gears and turn on the heat, and then you can watch the heater operate, and we'll go to hot. Alright, heat has been enabled. Now we're going to watch for the change. I can confirm it's warming up nicely. obvious. The heater works. I'm gonna stop the video short, but you can see us climbing nicely. I can tell you it's very warm in here now. Anyway, there you go. So we've got a little functionality HVAC test for our RS America. Please bid with confidence. You can see the temperature gauge starting to move now finally. Bid with confidence, ask questions, come see the car if you're near me. We want you to feel very comfortable with this example. It is a very special car, deserves a great home. Thank you so much, everybody. Take care.